magandang araw, magandang weather, 82 degrees, so tama lang. So alo sa inyong lahat, lalo sa mga buong listeners, viewers, kung kayong lahat dyan sa Pinas na imbag nga bigat amin.
Yes po. Ma'am Marisa, kamusta po ngayon? Ano po nga update sa ito nga pong naganap po na shooting incident dyan mismo sa may Stockton, California na kung saan na 4 po ang patay agad dito po sa nangyari pong paumaril po, Ma'am Marisa?
Very sad kasi right now, wala suspect na nahuli pa. So as of right now, sabi niya, no immediate arrest after 3 children were killed and 1 adult was killed yesterday. California, live in California for 20 years, and Stockton, California is playing to visit maraming mga ibigan at tirahan. Stockton, California is one of the high crime areas in California, pero sana ang authority ng California appeal to the public kung mga nakakita, kung may mga video, appeal for tips. So sabi nila na they are in search for now. Out of 2 p.m., which is a couple of hours ago, California, wala rin. Pero sabi ng spokesperson ng San Joaquin County, other branch, sabi niya na they believe na shooting na ito started. Sabi niya na inflation, respect, or the reasons why they targeted, just sure na hindi karoon ng hindrance sa investigation. So yung mga nakakay, sabi niya na 8, 9, 14-year-old children, 20-year-old adult, and then 11 people now are hospitalized and wounded. So sabi niya na they are really working really hard. Tsaka yung district attorney doon urged the shooter to turn himself in immediately. Pero sabi ni Mayor 60 Fassi na this is unacceptable. Sabi niya na community leaders express anguish over the loss of so many young victims dahil this is a birthday party of 100 people. So hopefully later, it's either this person will surrender or magaling mag-investigate ang mga pulis ito. Actually, right may mga ganitong shooting, right away BIC kasi nilang mga resources is limited pag FI get involved. So I'm hoping na this will amount to some arrest so that there will be an accountability. But this is very sad. This is Christmas. This is a birthday party and Christmas is approaching. Happy December sa inyo. It's still number 30th dito, but it's a very sad situation that there's again another shooting. So this has been very rampant. As my previous reports that there are more guns in America than the entire population. The last time I report, there's like 380 million guns. So there's about 2 to 3 or 4 guns per person. So this is other evidence of such na it's being used for ridiculous violence or nonsense violence.
Yes po. Ma'am Marisa, so ibig sabihin may target po talaga sila. Yung pong mga group of individuals po na yan. At doon mismo sa party. At kanino pong party po ba ito? Binanggit po ninyo, Vice Mayor sa children po, ang may party po niyan?
No, it is a birthday party in a hall of about 100 people. So sabi yung other branch spokesperson of Sakin County, sabi niya na they strongly believe that this is a targeted shooting. With all the assessment that they did, they believe that it is targeted. So, at saka back mo target this children. So it is very sad kasi children are supposed to have fun, but now 3 children are dead and 1 adult, ang babata.
Yes. Yun nga ma'am, kung targeted po ito, mga parang children's party po yung mga ando na marami po mga bata po ang siyang biktima po with this kind of violence po, Ma'am Marisa.
Oh, siguro alam mo na kung it's just an assessment na kung galit ka sa tao,
Mm.
mas masakit yung mga nakatirahin mo, which is that's really evil.
Mm.
Pero this is what the authorities are saying, na that's the reason why yung sabi ni District Attorney Ron Fritas na they urge the shooter to turn themselves in. But that's their way, hopefully that normally within few days or sometimes kung pag tirahin lahat ng mga law enforcement, merong police department, merong sheriff department and FBI will get involved. The sooner that they have all resources to find the shooter, the better it is. So I'm hoping na magkakaroon ng may arrest soon.
With that kind of scenario po, Ma'am Marisa, na meron po bang fear na nangyayari po ngayon? I mean to say, dahil hindi lang po ito isa kung may mga mass shooting na gagawa ng isang suspect, ito, it's a group na may mga baril po para po gawin po yan Ma'am Marisa, within the environment dyan po sa Stockton.
Of course, it will always cause fear, lalo na nga itong tinarget mga bata. So it caused fear to the community. But just like I said, Stockton, I have lived for a while. Stockton used to be Stockton is next to one of the most hiking area in that location. Next niya yung tinatawag Lodi was very it's high crime area sa California, and Stockton, it's all a little people that live work in farms, pero nevertheless, because ang mga city lumaki na, so then the population na noon ilang na mga nakatira lang dyan sa Stockton dati, mga farmers, but that has been said dahil California just so crazy. So kahit mga rural communities ngayon are now huge cities with a lot of people that move from another state, kasi California is a dream state for people.
With this kind of incident po, ma'am, nagbubukas na naman po yung usapin po with the gun control na naman po, ma'am, the debate with this kind na para, of course, may may mga anti to protection from defense sa kanila, pero ito naman nagkakos ng trouble sa iba naman. Ma'am Marisa, how's that?
Tama ka kung basta may mga shooting na ganito, then the debate of should we have firearms, should we prohibit it? But there's always may mga pro, mga against, but then again, all the time kung tinignan ng mga assessment kung sino mga babae, it's always the people that don't follow the law. Ang mga abiding citizens are very responsible for their for their guns. They know how to put it away. Hindi ginagamit sa mga institutions violence. It's used for tech. So, but that's one thing that's consistent. Ang mga owners ng mga gun are responsible adults and responsible citizens, don't use it for any kind of crimes. Itong mga talagang people that are into crimes, sila ang nagkakaroon dito. So, the government is trying to do this to make sure na magkakaroon ng rigid precaution. Maraming mga investigations, maraming mga criminal record check. I strongly think today that the medical record should be hard purchasing a gun, so say mentally, and they can see it on the medical records. These people should not be allowed to buy guns. But then you also have the black market. You also have the liberty of buying guns on the internet. I know people that are saying they can get information on how to assemble a gun or how to put it all together. And again, that's also accessible on the internet. This I've been having of speed, all the so much in America that also vary in some ways. So, the country is really high standard and very rules. But again, just like there's always shooting somewhere in other parts of the country. It's very sad that this particular one is young people are innocent,
Yes.
and they shouldn't be a part of this at all.
Yes. At nakakalungkot lamang po ma'am no, dahil katapos lamang po yung Thanksgiving po dyan po sa Amerika, and then this happened po, Ma'am Marisa. With that po, maraming salamat po sa inyo. Baka meron po kayong nais pa pong sabi ma'am, mga hindi ko po natanong, and mga shoutout po ninyo. Ma'am Marisa, you look wonderful this morning dito sa Pilipinas, and tonight, hapon dyan yata sa Portland po, Ma'am Marisa, para may pupuntahan po tayo.
May pupuntahan tayo kasi nasa Hawaii ako. I'm in Waikiki. It's 2:43 p.m. dito.
Wow.
So it's a pleasure talking with you. It's a pleasure to see you again, Bombo Framey. You're an excellent anchor. I would like to do some shout out and birthday greetings quickly. Happy birthday to my good friend Helen Kayunda Miller of Oregon. To my friend Makabatos Aurora Bella now in Toronto, Roy Dagan. My friend from Vancouver, Washington, Eric Bergman, had a birthday. Jane Andres Ruiz used to be from Luna, Isabela. Now she lives in Maui, Hawaii. Happy birthday. Ronald Nardo, Lou Ruwa, Sir Soren. Happy birthday, Louie. Happy birthday sa aking co-queen, Olivia Ramones from Las Vegas. Maria Teresa Pascual, happy birthday. And then the comedian, famous celebrity, Marisa Sanchez Dorla is a good friend of mine. Happy birthday lahat. Kumusta ang lahat yan sa Gasinan? Kumusta lahat Isabela? Sana okay ang lahat. At mula rito sa Waikiki, Honolulu, Hawaii, aloha. And from beautiful city and a beautiful weather, I wish you the best and have a great week and have a great first of December sa lahat.
Maraming salamat po, Ma'am Marisa Pascual, at po nga Bombo International News Correspondent dyan mismo sa Amerika. Magandang araw po at mabuhay po kayo, Ma'am Marisa.
Thank you very much po, Framing Molos. Haluhay, si Bombo International News Correspondent Marisa Pascual, para sa #1 most trusted, unmatched source of news and information. It's Bombo Radio Philippines. Basta Radio. Bombo.